The Xiaomi's new sub-brand Redmi has about to launch its next successor Redmi Note 8 and Note 8 Pro. Redmi's general manager Weibing posted on Chinese microblogging site that he will be announcing some of the future Redmi product features, which is expected to be the features of the coming Redmi Note 8 and Note 8 Pro. Hi, this is Swemil from FMJTech.com and let's get right into the video. Okay, recently Mughal Sharma posted some of the highlighted specifications of Redmi Note 8 on Twitter. This reveals that we are getting the next level CPU, that is the Snapdragon 730. It's very powerful, and of course the next level camera performance, the 64MP camera. It is expected that the Redmi Note 8 Pro will be having a triple camera setup. As said earlier, the main sensor will be a 64MP. The rumors tell that it will be Samsung's ISOCELL Bright GWN sensor, but is not well confirmed. The other cameras will be an 8MP ultra wide angle lens and a 5MP depth sensing camera. The front camera is expected to be a pop-up camera of 25MP. So the pictures taken with the Note 8 Pro will be so beautiful and high quality. Redmi Note 8 Pro will be having a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a fast in-display fingerprint sensor with no notch. Yes, the notch trend is going to end. Redmi Note 8 Pro will be expected to have Android Q with the latest MIUI 11. This will make the software look stunning and work so smooth. So coming to the battery rumors, Note 8 Pro will be having a bigger 4000 mAh battery and it will offer Qualcomm Quick Charge 4.0 technology. Along with the box, we may get a 18-watt fast charger. Other than these features, Redmi Note 8 Pro will be having a Type-C port and there will be a 3.5mm audio jack as well. Yeah, these are some of the rumors of the Redmi Note 8 Pro, but we have to wait till Xiaomi officially reveals the product. Thank you for watching this video and I will catch you in the next one.